I am so behind on my vlogs. Just wanted to say a good morning to you. And welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Hoping to get out of work early today. Maybe do a little bit of shopping. Try out a new recipe today. I think I'm going to buy a steak. Have a steak with something. I have a taste for a steak and a fried egg. Not sure why. Steak and eggs. So that might be the meal, the keto meal that I fix. Steak, eggs, and butter. Girl, don't you come across the street. Alright. Sorry this is a little bit off. But yeah. It's been a crazy few days. I did pick up the camera. The last vlog you probably saw was me on Saturday at my friend's birthday party, doing some salsa dancing. I do that for exercise. Like I said, I don't exercise intentionally, but I do go out salsa dancing, and that's my exercise. And I have been looking on Instagram. I was looking on Instagram for something else, and then I ran across this lady. I forgot her name. She, I guess she's a fitness. Well, she's definitely a fitness person, but I guess she's weight loss too. Weight training, not weight loss. Weight training. So I might look at her videos and see if I can get some beginner weight training tips that I can do at home. If not, then I'll just Google or go on YouTube and look for some beginner weight training at home. Simple. You want it, it's on the internet. You want it, it's on YouTube mostly. You Google it, it'll bring you right back to YouTube. So yeah, that's how I'm starting my day. Heading into work, gotta be in there and at least getting out of the van in about 10 minutes. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. See you a little bit later today. Hope y'all are having a fabulous day. If I haven't mentioned, this is me parking. All right. Ultimate Coupon Lady here. I would chat some more while I'm doing the finishing touches on my makeup, but sometimes my vlogs end up like so long. And the other one was a half hour. Actually, it was only about 25 minutes. I needed to edit it. That's another thing, man. Editing these videos is taking forever. So I have to try and make it where I don't have to cut so much on the videos. Cut and edit and like this one is probably edited. But I need to make my my recording intentional, which means what I record is what I want you guys to see, and I have to cut a bunch of stuff out because that takes me forever for some reason. And that's why this video is why you haven't seen a video in a couple days, and I upload it maybe 2 in one day. All right, y'all. Let me go. I'm starting to ramble. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, guys, I was able to get out of work early. I'm kind of sleepy, but I'm hungry, so I'm going to go hit the taco truck. I had some tacos. I was going to film it yesterday, but I was tired then, too. So I'm going to go to the taco truck and order the tacos that I normally get, but I'm going to have them without the taco shells. Alright guys, I'm heading in to the taco truck. There it is. tacos. Let's see. And so, let's see it. So it's tacos, but no shells. So it's a, can you see that? There we go. It's cilantro, onion, steak, and cheese. And then they have this guacamole salsa. It's kind of hot, but it's delicious. Woo! It's hot. Window down. Such a beautiful day outside. It's another reason I wanted to get out early. I would love to go to the city, but I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy right now. So I'm trying not to go to sleep because it's a beautiful day. Oh my God, that's so good. So I'll see you guys after I finish eating this. I'm gonna head to Walmart, do a little Christmas, a little clearance shopping, and to Starbucks. I said I wasn't gonna get another drink. Maybe I won't go to Starbucks. We'll see.